Hello, friends. Welcome to the channel. Today, I am here with the MCQ questions related to the Indian financial system subject, which up till now we have discussed 40 important MCQ questions on Indian financial system. We are intended to discuss around 200 questions, important questions. So I welcome back you. Please like the video, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest information. Let us start with next video, that is MCQ questions on Indian financial system from 41 to 80. So question number 41, who mobilized the small savings in India? So the small savings in India are started to mobilize. The government of India has established an organization, generally option A UTI, option B IDBI, option C IFCI, option D ICICI. So in India, the small savings are mobilized with the help of UTI, that is Unit Trust of India, which the government of India has established in the year 1964 to mobilize the small savings in our country. The correct answer is A, UTI. Question number 42, which of the following is related with the money market? Option A, treasury bills, option B, commercial money, option C, checks, option D, shares. The correct answer is option A, treasury bills. So treasury bills are related with the money market. Question number 43, which of the following organization provides guarantee to the exporters? Option A, Exim Bank, option B, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, option C, Director General Foreign Trade, option D, RBI. The correct option is B, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. In our country, it is popularly known as ECGC, is providing guarantee to the exports in our country. The answer is B. Question number 44, the financial market where debt and stocks are traded and the maturity period more than a year is short-term market. Option A, short-term market, option B, capital market, option C, counter market, option D, long-term market. The correct answer is capital market. Question number 45, the market where new securities are issued by the corporations to raise the funds are called option A, primary market, option B, secondary market, option C, gross market, option D, proceeds market. The correct answer is option A, primary market. Question number 46, which is not one of the development steps taken for capital market? Option A, open octroi, option B, book binding, option C, establishing SEBI, option D, screen based trading. So the correct answer is open octroi. Book building, establishing SEBI and screen based saving will help for the development of capital market. So the answer is A, open octroi. Question number 47, which of the following is least risky? Option A, equity, option B, corporate bonds, option C, treasury bills, option D, certificate of deposits. The correct answer is option C, treasury bills. So treasury bills are least risky, means they are the most good or risk-free securities or investments, we may say. Question number 48, which is the simple example of stock index in India? Option A, NSE, option B, Sensex, option C, BSE, option D, SEBI. The correct answer is option B, Sensex. Question number 49, in capital market, The major suppliers of trading instruments are A. Governments and corporations, B. Liquid corporations, C. Instrumental corporations, D. Manufacturing corporations. The correct answer is governments and corporations are the major suppliers. Question number 50. In primary market, the property of shares which make it easy to sell newly issued securities is concerned as option A increased liquidity, option B decreased liquidity, option C many flow, option D large funds. The correct answer is option A increased liquidity. Question number 51. In primary markets, the first time issue of shares to be publicly traded in stock market is considered as option A traded offering, option B public markets, option C issuance of offering, option D initial public offering. The correct answer is initial public offerings. Question number 51. The exchange market and over the counter markets are considered as the two types of option A floating market, option B risky market, option C secondary market, option D primary market. The correct answer is option C secondary market. Question number 53. The components of capital market are A debt market, equity market, B debt market, C derivative market, D all the above. The correct answer is all the above. These three are the important components of capital market: equity market, debt market and derivative market. Question number 54. Which bank becomes the State Bank of India? Bank of option A Bank of Bombay, option B Bank of Madras, option C Bank of Kolkata, option D Imperial Bank of India. So before State Bank of India, the Imperial Bank of India is converted into State Bank of India in the year 1955 by central government by passing a law in the by passing a law by central government. So the bank which becomes the State Bank of India is Imperial Bank of India. The Imperial Bank of India is converted into State Bank of India or nationalized the State Bank of India and in the year 1955 by the central government of India. The correct answer is D. Question number 55. Market for borrowing and lending short-term funds is called A. Money market, B. Capital market, C. Derivative market, D. Foreign exchange market. The correct answer is money market. Option A. Question number 56. Who controls the money market? Option A. RBI. Option B. Securities Exchange Board of India SEBI. Option D. DFHL. Option D. SIDBI. The correct answer is RBI. The RBI will control the money market in our country. Question number 57. Certificate of deposits were introduced in Indian market in option A 1989, option B 1990, option C 1991, option D 1988. The correct answer is option A 1989. In the year 1989, the certificate of deposits were introduced in our country or Indian market. Question number 58. An instrument to fund short-term needs of banks through the interbank participation. Option A, CDs. Option B, interbank repo. Option C, CPs. And option D, IBPCs. The correct answer is IBPCs. Question number 59. An important money market instrument by government to bridge the deficit between the revenue and expenditure in the budget. Option A, treasury bills. Option B, bonds. Option C, CDs. Option C, CPs. The correct answer is treasury bills. The important money market treasury bills are the important money markets or instrument with the help government to bridge the gap between revenue and expenditure, that is deficit financing, deficit budget. We have to fill the gap by issue of treasury bills. Question number 60. A loan for very short period is called option A call loans, option B, cash loans, option C, T-bills, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is A, call loans. Question number 61. A security used by RBI to adjust liquidity in the financial system is called option A, repo, option B, CDs, option C, CPs, option D, TBs. The correct answer is TBs, means treasury bills. Question number 62. Unsecured loan extended by one corporation to other corporate is called option A, IBPCS, option B, commercial bills, option C, CDs, option D, ICDS. The correct answer is D, ICDS. Question number 63. Bonds issued at a discount and redeemed prior to its maturity is called option A, mortgage bonds, option B, zero coupon bonds, option C, convertible bonds, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is zero coupon bonds. Question number 64. Bonds where interest rate is fixed percentage over the wholesale price index is called option A, capital index bonds, option B, fixed rate bonds, option C, step down bonds, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, capital index bonds. Question number 65. All activities related to finance and organized into a system are called A, capital market, B, money market, C, financial market, and D, open market. The correct answer is C, financial system. Question number 66. Dash is termed as the lifeblood of a firm or business. A, employees, B, finance, C, management, D, technology. The correct answer is finance. Question number 67. Dash refers to the activity of transforming saving into investment. Option A, resource development, option B, credit syndication, option C, capital formation, option D, none of the above or none of these. The correct answer is capital formation. Question number 68. Government securities are issued through dash of RBI. Option A, SEBI, option B, IDBI, option C, stock exchanges, option D, public debt office. Public debt office is the department of Reserve Bank of India through which the government securities are issued. The correct answer is D. Question number 69. Organization, underwriting, and distribution are the three main services of option A, capital market, option B, secondary market, option C, SEBI, option D, primary market. The correct option is option D, primary market. Question number 70. Which of the following is related with money market? Option A, treasury bills, option B, commercial money, option C, check, option D, share. The correct answer is treasury bills. Question number 73. Negotiable Instrument Act came in existence in India in the year 2013. Option A, 2013, option B, 1947, option C, 1949, option D, 1881. The correct answer is D, 1881. Question number 74. Commercial bill is a type of option A, promissory note, option B, check, option C, bill of exchange, option D, stamp. The correct answer is option C, bill of exchange. Question number 75. Equity shares are the dash shares of a limited company. A, voting, B, ordinary, C, limited, and D, unlimited. The correct answer is ordinary. The equity shares are the ordinary shares of limited company. Question number 76. Equity shares and preference shares are the ownership securities, also known as option A, debt capital, option B, capital stock, option C, fixed capital, option D, capital issue. The correct answer is option B, capital stock. Question number 77. Bonds, debentures are the creditorship security, also known as Option A, debt capital. Option B, capital stock. Option C, working capital. Option D, capital issue. The correct answer is option A, debt capital. Question number 78. Dash dash are equity shares issued by the company to employees or directors at a discount or for a consideration other than cash. Option A, derivatives. Option B, securitized instruments. Option C, sweet equity shares. Option D, dischargeable warrants. The correct answer is option C, sweet equity shares. Second last question. Debenture is a dash dash instrument issued by the company with a promise to pay the interest and repay the principal on maturity. The correct answer is credit. Option A, credit. Option B, debit or debt. Debt. Option C, cash. And option D, negotiable. The correct answer is that debenture is a debt instrument issued by the company with a promise to the pay interest and repay the principal on maturity. The correct answer is B, debt. Last question. Question number 80. Dash dash issued by the central government or state government are referred to as government securities. A, instruments. B, securities. C, bonds. D, shares. The correct answer is securities. Like the video, comment for your suggestions. I will meet you in the next lecture. So again I will tell you that because of the pandemic and most of the universities are conducting the examinations based on MCQ, multiple choice questions. So I am trying to make aware some important questions which are related to Indian financial system, which is the specialization subject for MBA students, BBA students, BCom students, and this particular MCQ questions are also useful for students for competitive exams, etc. So thank you. See you. Come with the next video.